All right, let's get into it. We're tackling the waist unit of this third-party beast. First thing you'll notice, the gates. They're thick, and the plastic is definitely stiffer than what you'd get from Bandai. Grab your sharpest nippers. Fitting the internal frame pieces now. It's a tight squeeze, typical for these kits, so watch those fingers. But look at that mechanical detail. Snapping on the outer panels. The edges are sharp enough to cut you, but that's exactly why we love these designs. Aggressive and edgy. A bit of extra pressure needed to close the gaps, but once it's in, it's rock solid. Waist unit complete. If you're tired of soft designs and want more high-detail budget builds, hit that like and follow Nipper J. Let's see what's next.